my name is Betsy. I'm an oncopsychologist. So today I'm here to talk to you all about prosthesis. Breast prosthesis is an artificial form of breast that is used to replace the shape of the breast that has been removed during the surgery. Breast prosthesis or artificial breast fits in a bra cup with or without a bra pocket. There are many different types of breast prosthesis available in the market to purchase. The most commonly used one is silicone breast prosthesis. It is made up of soft silicone gels that is encased in a thin film. They are molded to resemble the natural shape of the breast which is removed during the surgery. So these are the two types of breast prosthesis that are available in the market. This one is a knitted or woolen prosthesis. Now this is knitted or it can be stitched and it is filled with cotton inside to give the natural breast shape. This is the commonly available silicone breast prosthesis. It is filled with silicone gels, as I mentioned earlier, to give the natural shape of the breast that has been removed. So it is more natural with a nippular area in the middle. So patients undergoing surgery to remove full or part of the breast most commonly might experience a sense of unease or physical instability, which is improved or which is elevated with the use of prosthesis. Prosthesis not just gives the women or the patients a sense of self-confidence but also boosts them psychologically and emotionally. In many cultures, breast is associated with femininity. Losing a breast to any disease can affect the women physically, psychologically and emotionally. Use of breast prosthesis helps them to improve it and thereby enhance their quality of life. Using a breast prosthesis or artificial form of breast not just helps them to cope with it psychologically, it also helps them physically. Using a breast prosthesis not just helps the patient psychologically, but can also help them prevent the curvature of the spine that is caused by long-term imbalance of the body. For breast cancer patients who are unable or unwilling to undergo breast reconstruction surgery, breast prosthesis or use of artificial form can be a good option. Wearing a breast prosthesis can not only make up for the physical disability to improve the external image, but can also protect the wound site from any external strikes and also prevent chest pain. It gives a warmth and also a natural look under the clothes. It can also prevent from any muscle skeletal related problems. As part of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I would like to take this opportunity to spread awareness about prosthesis and also to encourage everyone to opt for such available alternatives to enhance your quality of life. Thank you.